155. Good morning once again to everyone.
Good morning.
After the class already started, after the 3 minutes of the class, also students are joining, which is very sad for us students. The still you children don't know what is the class timing. Okay, so I think I need no need to remind again and again the same thing. Give me 1 minute. क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा क्लास चालू है Okay, sorry students. Take out page number 155.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my page is like this.
Okay, let me see. Like this means it's thick
Ma'am, I
something.
think it is jointed.
Yeah, it is joined from the somewhere. So take this
No,
scale. Then okay, it is torn. Okay. So beta, I will show you here the PDF also, and the
ma'am, it
PDFs
says
are
that.
available. I'm going to show you here on the screen also. Most of the page is already covered. काफी पेज तो cover है. नीचे से थोड़ा सा torn है. You can see from the PDF which I am going to show you here on the screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, open the page number. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am, you can tell from page number.
155. This is the page number 155, students. I think this topic we have discussed in the earlier class also. If not discussed, no problem. We are discussing it again here. A square has a boundary of 12 centimeter. So one side is 3 centimeters. So when we add the boundary, it will be 12 centimeter. Now they are asking from the corner of the square, a small square of 1 centimeter is cut off. Will the boundary of B will be less or more? Find its length. Can you, if let me open the chat box, if the chat box is open or not? Yeah, it's open. Can you guess it will be more or less if we cut the square? आपने इतना बार पेरीमीटर लर्न किया है, बाउंड्री से पेरीमीटर भी निकाला है, so you are completely clear with the perimeter. Whether it will be more, it will be less, or it will be same, and whatever is the perimeter, can you please write in the chat box? Many of them are writing the answers. Dania has written, Aradhya has written, Vishrut, Viva, Moksh has written. Uh, Let me read the names. Manya has written, Dania, Aradhya, Vivan, Suchi, very good. Vedant, Vish, Jigar Singh, Divit, yes. So most of them have given it will be the same. Let's prove it. Okay, how it is the same. So when we count this, I'm going to, yeah, I will show you the video. You will better understand in the video how it is same, how they are counting. So first you see this video. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will mute myself.
Tips Part 2. In this video, we will learn, does changing shapes also make a difference in the length of their boundaries? Look, I made a square on this paper. Its boundary is 12 centimeter. Yes, that is easy to find. Yes, but I want to find out if I change the shape of this figure, will the length also change or not? If the figure changes, the length of the figure will surely change. Okay, shall we change the shape? Yes. Look, I will remove this one square and change its shape. Now let's measure this figure. Write down the length of all the sides. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. If you add all these, the answer will be 12 centimeters. We changed the shape of the figure, yet the size of the boundary did not change. I think we should change the shape differently, Reyansh. Then the size of the boundary will also change. This time you try to change the shape. Okay, see, I will remove this square from the figure and change its shape. I think that the length of the boundary of this shape will still be 12 centimeters. Let's measure and check. Okay, let's write the
Write in the chat box. What do you think? Whether it will be the same or whether it will be more, whether it will be less or how much less or how much more. Solve this, beta. Solve this. Don't blindly write the answer. Solve this. Write the answer. Please solve this, students.
Ma'am, we are writing.
Don't write only more and less. Solve this and write. Find out how many centimeter it is. Yes, I got the answer from many of the students. They are writing 14 centimeter. Aradhya has also written the 14 centimeter. Many of them have written the 14 centimeter, like Dania, Tej Kumar, Suchi. Let me read their answers. Aradhya and Mantra, Vihan Dobariya, Viva, Jigar Singh. Divit, your answer is wrong. You were try to find out, but your answer 15 is wrong. 14 is the right answer. How 14 is the right answer? Now you will see, learn with the explanation here in the video.
length of all the ages. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If we add them, the answer will be 14 centimeters. That means changing the shape of figure changes the size of its boundary. No, when you change the shape, the length of the boundary did not change. But when I changed the shape, the length of the boundary changed. This means changing the shape may change the length of its boundary or may not change the length of its boundary. Did you get it? Today we learned that the length of the boundary may change when the shape is changed, and that it is not necessary that the length of the boundary changes if the shape is changed. Therefore, it is important to measure the length of the boundary when the shape is changed.
So students, what you have learned, that it may change or it may not change, but it is for you to compulsorily check the length of the boundary, then only give the answer. Don't blindly give the answer. Kevian and Anay, turn on your camera, please. Okay. So now take out the again page number 155. So answers of both the questions done. Any doubt to any child here, A and B?
No.
No. Come on the second question. Here also, you can see what write in the chat box. What is the boundary? What is the perimeter of the D figure? Write in the chat box.
Ma'am, 20 centimeters.
Good, Suchi. Yes. Write in the chat box. Vedant, why are you not following the class rule? Write in the chat box. No? You are actively giving the answer.
Ma'am, my chat box is not working.
Yes, 20 centimeter. Now they have changed the figure. If they have changed the figure like this, then what do you think? What will be the perimeter? Find out and tell me what is the perimeter. Write in the chat box.
Ma'am, we have not counted only.
How to count? No, write in the chat box then.
But your screen.
You don't have your textbook?
Ma'am, the 36 centimeters, right?
I first let everyone calculate, then I will give the answer. Rehan Dobaria, what is this 36C?
I don't know. It didn't write MIM.
You have not attentively wrote that. कंप्यूटर तो will write, लैपटॉप will write, पर आपने ही प्रेस नहीं किया है लेटर.
I forgot to write it.
हाँ, yes.
Ma'am, 36 centimeters.
The answer is 36 centimeter. 33, those who are giving is the wrong answer. One child has given 33. So that is the wrong. 36 is right answer. Many of you have given. Now next.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Vedant, is there anything still?
What, ma'am?
Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I can see that you are still not active. You have complete mood in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I could not understand the even, so that.
So you can ask, na beta. Even you need to count the boundaries. See,
It is only 1 centimeter.
yeah, 1 centimeter. So we start from here. So now we come up and up here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. मैंने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था, यहीं पे ही एंड किया. Got it, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next. The boundary of this is 1 centimeter. That is dash plus dash plus dash. 4 times 1 add करो या 4 multiply by 1 करो. Answer is going to come same.
4.
Yes. Now question number 3. A hockey field is 91 meters, 40 centimeter long and 55 meters wide. How long is the boundary of the field? What you have to do in this? Meters, centimeters अलग लेने हैं. Then You are going to find the boundary. In this, what you have to do? Plus. Very good. Very good, Aradhya. Very good. Find the answer and write in the chat box, students, because you have learned. Nishwa, playing in the class, rolling your chair. Please write the answer and find the answer and write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I
Take,
can't understand this.
see, it is in meet. One side is given, length and breadth is given. Length is 91. Danya, 4 is not the right answer. Length is 91 meter, 40 centimeter long. You have already learned how to add the meters and centimeters, right? So here one thing is given in the meters and centimeter, other is only in meters. So nothing is there in the centimeter, write 0, 0. And how you will add, how many times you will add this same value, find the perimeter. Perimeter का formula भी आपने learn किया है, Moksh. So find it out. Rajveer wrong, Tej Kumar wrong. Granth wrong. Aradhya wrong. You are just, what are you doing? You know, what are you doing? You are just adding them. But it is 2 times. Suchi, what is 4 centimeter? किसका आंसर है ये 4 centimeter? Nishwa, participate in class, beta. Wrong. Answer is wrong. 31 meter, 40 centimeter. Wow. Wrong, Divit. Not a single student is giving me the right answer.
242.
You are little close, but still wrong.
242.
Ma'am, 29 meters, 280 centimeters.
Out of this many students, only one child has given the right answer. Now 2 students have given the right answer. I will not declare the name of the students. Once everyone will give, then only. Otherwise, what happens is everyone will copy paste. 2 students have given the right answer out of the given students. Can I give now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 3 students. Tej Kumar, Vihan Dobaria, Nishwa, you have solved it or you are just copy pasting?
Ma'am, I got 242 meters.
The
and
answer is
solved it.
292 meter and 80 centimeter. Why? Because you need to add. I'm going to show you here. See the presentation.
Ma'am,
Wait.
I have done that only, but I think 280 will come in meter.
Thinking से नहीं होता ना बेटा. You need to solve it properly. 9140 is 2 times because it's a perimeter. So 9140 के opposite 91 meter 40 centimeter होगा. 55 के opposite 55 होगा. So you have learned that also. Either add them and multiplied by 2 or add them 4 times. 2 times 9 length and 2 times breadth. So the answer is 292 for 80 centimeter. Any doubt to any child? Practice to calculate the perimeter. Still confused in the formulas. Please practice. Okay, go to the next question now. Usha and Valsam. This is also a very much thinking question which you need to write the answer in the chat box. Usha and Valsama are running a race. Usha is running. अब दोनों का starting point भी same है, ending point भी same है. But the thing is, Valsama runs. Just a minute.
Ma'am, I know this.
Yeah, I will give you time. Valsama runs faster than Usha, but still she lost the race. But can you guess why? Write the answer in the chat box.
वो chat box.
Ma'am, I've written.
One child has written only. उषा आउटर पे तो है पर वाई उषा क्यों बार बार आउटर पे तो है सर्कल पे दैट वी नो देन वल्समा इज ऑन द
That one I have written before.
वल्समा is on the outer and Usha is on the inner. So but why she after running so fast also she is not winning the race?
Ma'am, answer has already been written.
Viva is little closer but not using the words which I have used in the chapter. Yes, Dania has correctly used the perimeter of the outer circle is more. Because the line was different. Which line was different, beta? That is the perimeter word. हमने जो boundary पढ़ी है. So the perimeter of the inner circle will be less compared to the perimeter of the outer circle. अगर आप बड़े सर्कल के चारों तरफ चक्कर काटोगे that will take more time compared to the smaller circle. For example, इतना सा ही अगर कोई सर्कल है इसको भागना है और इतने बड़े सर्कल को भागना है which will take more time. The bigger one obviously. So अगर ये ऐसे है तो ऑब्वियसली अब कितना भी तेज भागो जीतेगा तो यही इसको ज्यादा कवर करना पड़ रहा है एरिया राइट इसको ज्यादा बाउंड्री कवर करनी पड़ रही है क्लियर एम आई क्लियर एनी डाउट
No, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
यस
Ma'am, I wrote in the chat box.
या यू
Is
हैव
the
written
sentence correct?
length word is not correct you have to write the circumference word you have learned no yeah because in the circle there is no length. This is the circumference is covering by the outer circles having more circumference compared to the inner. Right? Okay. Now students, I have prepared one revision Google form for you all. I'm going to give you the link. Revision 1 this is. I'm going to give you the link in the chat box.
Or Google
It is
Form?
it is a Google form. You have to write the answers. I will check it manually. And please write the formula requires wherever it is written write the formula. It is compulsory to write the formula. Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, how much questions that
10
in the
questions are there. 10 questions are there. I'm going to check it manually. I will only mark right or wrong your answers. You will not get the marks in this. Only you will see whether your answer is correct or wrong. Clear? Everyone is able to open the Google form? Students, everyone is able to open the Google form?
Yes, ma'am, we have to write the capital or small.
Anyway, because it's your, I'm going to check it. Whenever I say I'm going to check it manually, don't worry about it, how to write, whether capital or small. I will read the questions for you all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the question where there is Mr. Sharma want to
Second
make a
question.
carpet about. So, ma'am, so the carpet size will be, I mean, the shape will be rectangle only, na?
Rectangle, because length and breadth are different. And
Different.
and carpet you will put inside the room. Internal जब भी हम निकालते हैं तो what you will find, area or the perimeter.
Area, ma'am.
हाँ, अगर ये क्लियर है ना आपको तो आप इजीली आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. And
Ma'am,
that the figure will be rectangle because length and breadth are different.
Ma'am, I'm confused in the question number
Which question number?
4.
4. Calculate the area of a rectangle by counting the squares of the internal area.
Oh,
सबसे easy है ये तो.
Hello, ma'am. I can't understand the first one.
आपको फर्स्ट ही नहीं आया मोक्ष?
I
First is
know
the
what will come,
distance
but
around an object is called what? It is perimeter or the area.
okay. I thought it will come boundary or perimeter.
Boundary and perimeter is same. But you have to use the correct word, that is the perimeter. Spellings correct होनी चाहिए. The formula should be properly written in the Google form. And please write the section also. When you are writing your name, along with that, write the section.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't understand the sixth one.
Okay.
Oh, no, no, sorry. Sixth one. Ninth one.
Ninth one. Each side of a square is 10 meter. What will be the area of the square? It is very easy. Each side is 9. Write the formula of the area of the square and find out.
Ma'am, in the second one, we have to write the formula, no?
Ma'am, I can't understand the second one. Second.
Carpet. Carpet is inside. First of all, if you are able to find out that you need to find area or the perimeter, first that you should clear that thing. कि एरिया निकालना है कि पेरीमीटर. एंड एरिया इंटरनल चीजों के लिए, जब भी आपको कभी किसी चीज को ऊपर से कवर करना है, नोटबुक पे कवर चढ़ाना है, दैट आई शो यू, या बोर्ड पे ऊपर शीट लेनी है तो मैं एरिया लूंगी, बाउंड्री को डेकोरेट करना है तो पेरीमीटर. तो कारपेट है, कारपेट रूम के अंदर बिछाते हैं बेटा. तो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ रूम, है ना, और एरिया ऑफ द कारपेट जो भी गिवन है, तो एरिया निकलेगा, नॉट द पेरीमीटर. एरिया अगर आपने निकाल लिया विद द फॉर्मूला एंड विद द गिवन वैल्यूज, दैट विल बी द आंसर. एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
Okay, students, solve this and send it to me. I will only write the answers are correct or not. No marks in this. This is just a revision. Marks will be only in the CET. Clear?